Let's hope Santa passed at the end of the slippery floor. He must step on the rock that has the letter A on it. Let's begin. Should I step on this stone? What do you think? Yes, good job. Stepping on the stone. Where should I step on next? You're right. Good job. Let's step on it. Wow. The next one is a bit tricky. Where do you think is the lowercase e? You did it! Good job! Here we go! I know the next one. Yay! You did it! Good job, kids! Counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job!
Amazing gift! Wow! Did Santa leave it here for me? Thank you, Santa! What is the color of the gift? It's color red! Good job! How many gifts do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 gifts! Good job, kids!
Let's count the gifts from Santa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 gifts. Good job. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing it? Types of vehicles. This is a train, and you see a train on land. This one is a bus. Where do you see a bus? You see it on land. This one is a car. That's right. You see a car on land. Good job. Next is a ship. A ship is in the water. I know you know this one. An airplane. You see it in the air. That's right. Good job. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Good job. The solar system. Sun, moon, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Is a age, age, age. What's the sort of age? Huh, huh, huh. That's the sort of age. This is an I. What's the sort of I? E, E, E. That's the sort of I. This is a J, J. What's the sort of J? J, J, J. That's the sound of J. This is a K, K, K. What's the sound of K? K, K, K. That's the sound of K. This is a L, L, L. What's the sound of L? L, L, L. That's the sound of L. This is a M, M, M. What's the sound of M? M, M, M. That's the sound of M. This is a N, N, N. What's the sound of N? N, N, N. That's the sound of N. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. That is an astronaut. Astronaut starts with letter A. The astronaut is in the moon and is going to finish his mission. What do you think is his mission? His mission is to find the objects that start with letter A. Let's help the astronaut to find the objects that start with letter A. Do you think this one starts with the letter A? Yes, it's an apple. An apple starts with letter A. Good job. How about this one? Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an axe. An axe starts with letter A. Good job. Next is this one. Do you think it starts with letter A? Yes, it's an arrow. An arrow starts with letter A. Good job. Last is this object. Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an anchor. An anchor starts with letter A. Good job, kids. The 5 vowels. This is letter A. Letter A. Apple. This is letter E. Letter E. Egg. This is letter I. Letter I. Insect. This is letter O. Letter O. Ostrich. This is letter U. Letter U. Umbrella. Good job, kids. The man is eating noodles. The noodles is hot. Beside the man is a girl eating an ice cream. The ice cream is cold. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Hot and cold are opposites. Guess the animal. Can you guess it? An alligator. Alligator starts with letter A. Guess the next animal. That is a bear. Good job. And bear starts with letter B. Can you guess the next animal? A cow. Good job. And cow starts with letter C. Let's guess the next animal. A dog. Good job. That's a dog. And dog starts with letter D. What's the next animal? Can you guess it? That is an elephant. You're right. And elephant starts with letter E. How about this one? Can you guess it? Hmm, that is a frog. Correct. And frog starts with letter F. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Colors by Teacher Mommy Chris. Let's learn the colors. Yellow. What is that? Can you identify the fruit? Those are bananas. You're right. And bananas are color yellow. Blue. How about that one? Can you identify the animal? Yes, that is a bird. Correct. And the bird is color blue. Red. Hmm. Can you identify the fruit? What is it? An apple. You're right. Very good. An apple is color red. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Egg. F. Fingers. G. Gift. H. Horse. I. Igloo. J. Jacket. K. Kangaroo. L. Lamp. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Octopus. P. Pencil. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Sun. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. X-ray. Y. Yarn. Z. Zebra. Let's play the ABC game by Teacher Mommy Chris. What is that? What do you see? A blue bucket. Let's see what's inside the blue bucket. Let's go! What letter is that? That is letter A. And starts with letter A. Apple also starts with letter A. Pick the objects that starts with letter A. Anchor, arm, axe are the correct answers. They all start with letter A. Well done, kids! Next, what letter is that? That is letter B. Bird starts with letter B. Ball also starts with letter B. Now, what is the sound of letter B? B, B, B. That is the sound of letter B. A, B. On to the next one. What letter is that? Well, that is letter C. Cake starts with letter C. Cat also starts with letter C. Now, put a star on the object that starts with letter C. Camera is the correct answer. So the star goes to camera. Well done, kids. Now, what letter is that? That is letter D. Dog starts with letter D. Dice also starts with letter D. Where is letter D? Is that letter D? No, that is letter C. Is that letter D? No, that is letter B. Is that letter D? No, that is letter A. Is that letter D? Yes, that is letter D. Good job, kids. C. D. Hello, kids. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet letters. Let's name them one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job! We are at the farm. I see a frog, and beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Syllables. This is a candy. How many syllables is in the word candy? Let's count. One, two. Good job. This is a pumpkin. How many syllables is in the word pumpkin? One, two. Good job.